Hi everyone, Miss Diorio from Citizenship Academy here with your next skills lesson. We're going to start off today with new spelling words. You'll have a test Friday, so pay attention. And then we're going to review spellings for another sound. So let's start with our spelling words. I'm going to make myself disappear, and I'm going to put our spelling words big on the screen. We're going to go over them, clap them out, all that good stuff. If you want at any point in the week, go back to this video and practice your spelling words. It's also a good idea to write them a bunch of times. You can write them in sentences. You can do a rainbow write. However you like to practice them to get them in your brain so you're ready for Friday. All of the spelling words this week either have the t, d, or f sound in them. And remember that dot that you see in the middle, that's to separate the syllables to help you to sound them out. You do not need to do it when you write your spelling words out, but if it helps you remember them and helps you sound them out, by all means, go ahead. So our first set of words all have the t sound. Our first word is trucker. Let's clap it out. Trucker, trucker. Good. Also, this word kitten also has the t sound. This is kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. This one, be careful, has the t sound too. This one's parked. Parked. Clap it out. P-A-R-K-E-D. Parked. Good. Our next set of words are going to have the d sound. So we have duck. Clap it out. D-U-C-K, duck. Then we have add. A-D-D, add. Our last word with the d sound, be careful, it has that ed at the end, just like parked, but in this word it makes the d sound. This is plant. P-L-A-N-N-E-D, plant. Our next word has the f sound. The word is offer. O-F-F-E-R, offer. All right, tricky word. Drum roll, please. Was. Clap it out. W-A-S, was. Yeah. All right, remember to practice them throughout the week. You can rainbow write them 3 times, write them in sentences. I organize them by sounds with their tricky word on the bottom. I'll put this up on Google Classroom to help you work on them during the week. Yay! All right, good job. Our sound for today is this one. What sound is this? Go ahead and practice that. Like rainbow and wrist and run. I'm going to play our video. Practice making the sound while you watch. Make myself disappear. Here we go.
Robot.
Robot. Robot.
Let's say it together. Robots. Robots. Hello.
Hello. He's a cute little robot. All right. To practice the sound, I'm going to give you some riddles. Every answer to the riddle is going to have that sound. Ready? See how fast you can get them. Number 1. I'm thinking of a body part that connects your hand to your arm. Connects your hand to your arm. Hand, arm. And it bends. What is this called? Your wrist. Good. I'm thinking of an animal that has long ears and a fluffy tail. This animal also likes to eat carrots. Rabbit. Good. I'm thinking of something that falls from the clouds and soaks the ground. You also might see it on a cloudy day. Rain. Very good. I'm thinking the color of some cherries, or all cherries, some apples. All cherries are this color, some apples. It's also the color of fire trucks. Red. Very good. All right, last one. I'm thinking of a piece of jewelry worn on your finger. It's sometimes round, sometimes has little designs on it. I have 2 of them. Ring. Very good. All right. So just like with the other sounds we've been reviewing, there's a couple different ways to spell the R sound. The most common way that you guys are used to is just with the letter R, right? In rock and grin. Just one R makes the R sound, we know it. Same thing with a lot of other consonants. You can also spell it with 2 R's. This word right here is ferret. Remember, when you see the 2 R's together, it only makes the one R sound. Okay? The last way to spell it, so it might be a new way for you, is WR. Okay? You see this a lot at the beginning of words. This word right here is wrist. Remember we talked about the wrist? So it's not w-er, it's just r. A little bit tricky, so we're going to practice with it with a couple different things. I have this paper right here with the 3 R sounds and example words. So we have the R sound at the top, R, red, ferret, 2 R's for ferret, WR, wrist. 3 different ways to spell the R sound. I'm going to put this up on Google Classroom to help you remember. So if you ever see one of these different kinds of spellings in your reading, you're going to be able to use this to remember, oh yeah, that makes a R sound. Miss Diorio told me that. Most commonly, though, you're going to just see it as an R. See how big that power bar is? Really big, really thick, right? So most commonly, you're going to see it as an R. But you got to know the RR and the WR because you're going to see it in some words. All right, I'm going to stop this video here. Join me for the next one because we're going to make a spelling tree. It's a pretty one today, I promise. All right, I will see you soon.